Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can delete Bixby routines on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, go down and tap on advanced features. In advanced features, you want to go down and tap on Bixby routines. Now select the routines that you want to remove. So I'm going to tap touch and hold onto one of the routines, and then once it is in edit mode, select the routines that you want to remove and then tap on the delete button, and that's it. Now it has been removed from your Samsung Galaxy S21 device, and that's how you can remove a Bixby routine. Now alternatively, if you do not want to remove the routine, you can also disable it. So let's say I'm going to add in another routine, or actually I have one right here. If I turn it on, you can see this routine is currently running. So to disable the routine, you just open it, then tap on the option key at the top, and then tap on disable this routine, and that's it. It is now disabled. So that's how you can either delete them completely, or you can disable it temporarily so that later you can use it again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.